Hi, today I'm gonna share with you this magic mask for face. Just try it. The result just amazing. So, all we need here is 1 teaspoon olive oil, 1 teaspoon flaxseed gel. I made flaxseed gel recipe before. You can find the recipe in the description. 2 teaspoons rose water and 2 to 3 drops vitamin E oil. A perfect combination to wipe hairs off of your face. It will hydrate and moisturize your skin, make it plump and supple, and help erase fine lines. You can use it every night, 2 to 3 hours before going to bed. Just mix all the ingredients well. Make a small amount that should last you for 4 to 5 days. Keep it in the fridge in between uses and shake well before every use. After washing your face, apply a thin layer of this treatment and massage it into your skin. If your skin absorbs it quickly, you can add another layer and leave it overnight. You will get an amazing result. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friend, and thank you so much for watching.